my 8/15/2024 market recap. I have a confession to make. Okay, so my London session trade, I would have not even taken it personally. Although it was a high quality setup, I would have not taken it because there was a major red news happening at 8:30, which was core retails, and I just wrote it down as well. I didn't know about that core retail shit, but yeah, I just wrote it down, and yeah, wrote it down. Now I won't make the same mistake. This is my first time ever making this mistake, so now, but we have to be wise though, right? I learned about this now that even a high quality setup will get disrespected. Do not trade London session when there's a high red major news happening during New York session, right? So, and as well, I did have a setup for New York session. I had a setup right over here at this price point. I'll probably say right here at 57 is where I had a sell setup. You know what I'm saying? So, and I learned even more things. I wrote it down as well. I could have entered this trade because 4 drawn liquid was bearish, 4 box was bearish, we had an hourly confluence. Now I gotta think, right? I learned something where when I'm entering news, all I need is an hourly confluence. Like I just answered out the hourly confluence. So 4 drawn liquid was bearish, 4 box was bearish, 1 drawn liquid was bearish, 1 bias was bullish, but market was turning to the opposite side. And NFP, I don't gotta care about that. I only impacts with other things, but this was winning, right? So I was like, okay. Although I didn't take a trade, I'm still gonna journal it because, you know what I'm saying, I saw this trade. This is a good trade. If I would have taken this trade right over here, boom, entry right here, I'd have done a sell limit and sell limit over here. It stopped out right above the high. Right when it was hit, boom, TP1 would have been here, TP2 would have been here. Once it goes here, I would see at a 15-minute time frame. If it closes that below the 15-minute time frame, you know what I'm saying, holds on the TP, which you know what I'm saying, attention like would have. And same thing happened to yesterday, you know. Put a sell limit order at these low, right when it hits this high, just, you know what I'm saying, sell limit here, sell limit here. There was 2 closed ones, right? 2 relative closed ones. So I would have just been like, okay, put 0.50% there, 0.50% here. Once the market goes down, once it goes there, and you know what I'm saying, put a sell right above the all-time high. And then once it goes down, boom, hit down there. They should have did both delivered because the drawn liquidity was bearish. So market, what does the market do? They go drawn liquidity. Same to here. I had an hourly order block entry right over here, boom, enter out of this, sell stop right over here. There would have been like a 1-to-1 trade personally, right? It would have been like a 2RR actually, right? It would have been a 2RR. So literally now what I'm gonna do is enter out of the start of it just to get it in, boom, put a sell stop below an hourly low or high, but I'm mainly gonna use hourly confluences, and yeah, go for those. And same thing with the 15-minute rule, still use the same thing. But yeah, this one I would have entered, this one I would have not, because the factor checks are even. I don't do evens. I usually do one side gotta win. One side has to win the factor check. For this one, market already set out the drawn liquidity, right, which was the NFP high. So I was like, okay, this is low likely gonna follow that. So I was like, okay, bearish. Market came out bearish, right? Market spiked up, you would have gotten us in and put it back down. But other than that is, yeah, that's that. We have this as well right over here, sell limit right over there, boom, that's it down. But I had the market recap, no trades, but from now on I just learned it, man. You know what I'm saying, do the factor check on the news trade. When the new trading news, do the factor check, take out the confluences. Don't trade when there's a core retail because that causes big effect to the market. Don't trade don't trade London session when there's a core retail or any major news happening. FOMC, I don't gotta care about. Other ones I do gotta care about, but only take high quality setup. Although we did take a loss, that loss was not meant to be a loss because we're not meant to be trading, but I did not see that happening. I did not know core retail. It was a core, so it was not a normal one. I thought it was a normal one where just a retails, right? But he had a core in it, so I was like, okay, now that was a big news happened to the market, because in the past I saw that news, this core retail news affected the market really heavily. So now just learned it, and yeah, thanks for watching. Really viable to the lesson today. I learned when I'm entering news trades, always an hourly confluence, because that's what is my main confluence. So always hourly confluences, and yeah, same TP, same everything. And other than that is and during news I don't need a when I'm entering a news trade, I don't need a confirmation confluence, but when I'm doing normal trades, I do need confirmation confluence where I need a 5-minute auto block, 5-minute Bitcoin structure, 15-minute Bitcoin auto block, 15-minute Bitcoin structure. But that's it for watching.